Good day everybody. In this video I'll demonstrate to you how to replace the battery on NESS 5000 alarm system. So that's what the alarm system looks like. So as you can see, the battery, the red light is flashing, indicating the battery is flat. So I need to replace the battery. Okay, so in order to replace the battery, you need to know the master code and the installer code. Without these two passwords, the alarm will go off due to the tampering protection. Installer code can be obtained from the company. Otherwise, the factory default installer code is 60, so 000000, but this might be different if it was changed by somebody in the past. Okay, first thing we need to do is disarm the alarm. So in order to do this, we need to push P for program and push your numbers, password, master code, and push E. Okay, I've just pushed P, put my master code in, and pushed the E in button. And now as you can see, the red line on program lights up. So this will stay here for 4 minutes. It's a program mode. And now what I need to do is push P again and push installer code and push E. And this will allow me to go into the installer program mode, and it will last until I exit this mode. Okay, so here we go. P 000000 E. Okay, now the program mode flashes. Okay, now I need to open this cover by unscrewing the two screws hidden in this behind this cover, this round cover, and there's another one at the bottom. So 2 screws. Okay. Okay, I remove the cover on for the top screw. So you can see there's a screw. Removing the bottom cover now, so you can use a small Allen key like this. Remove the bottom cover as well. So here are the 2 covers. Okay, to remove the screws, use the 2.5mm Allen key. Turn anti-clockwise. And do the same for the bottom. Okay, 2 screws are now loose, so I can remove the front cover. There's the upper screw, bottom screw, and inside the machine you will see a battery here. Okay, so to remove the battery I need to remove these clips. Okay, once you remove the cable, the battery can come out. So the battery spec you need is 12 volt and 7.2 Ah. So that's my old one, and this is the new battery that I purchased, 12 volt 7.2 Ah. So this is from eBay. It was $20 including delivery. Good price. So this new battery needs to go in to the alarm system. So remove the protection plastic cover and put the cables back in. Okay, inside the battery package there was this item which will make this clip a bit smaller, so it's like an adapter. So I need to use it in this case. So I need to slide that on and put it in. Okay, now I can put the battery back in. Okay, so the replacement battery is in the alarm system. The black cable goes to the black side and the red cable goes to the battery with the red markings on it. Okay, now close the front cover back and tighten the screws. Okay, the front cover is now tightened. And I need to put the screws cover back on. And as you can see, I'm still in the program mode as the red light in the program flashes. So to get out the exit installer mode and enter the normal operating mode by pressing P and E, and just wait a few minutes and all the settings will go back to normal mode. Okay, after waiting 2 or 3 minutes, now as can be seen, the battery color is solid, and yes, meaning that battery is good, and alarm is back to normal.